Good afternoon and welcome to a new unboxing video for the Asics Gel BND men's shoe. And it's just a very short video to explain the unboxing of the shoe and to give you an idea of the sales that are out there at the moment during the COVID-19 problems. So you can go on to footlocker.com, order these. It's I think a 30% sale or 40% sale at footlocker.com. Delivery is fantastic. So it's the Asics Gel BND. This particular colorway is black and blue expanse. The product detail on the Asics website talk about Be Bold in the men's Gel BND sports style shoe featuring a heritage influenced design. This shoe takes cues from an original 1988 triathlon shoe and includes a modern day and bulky midsole. The molded EVA midsole means you are provided with a cushioned comfort that keeps you feeling incredible all day long. And the molded normal rubber outsole provides you with a grip on any and every surface, from the streets to in between. The breathable mesh upper allows air to circulate at all times, so damp, sweaty feet are sure to be a thing of the past. For a lightweight shoe that wins in style and comfort, invest in a Gel BND sport style model. It will take you where you need to go. So it's a molded EVA midsole here. This is the midsole. A removable EVA sock liner. So that's the sock liner. It's just quite basic. Full strobel lasting. I don't know what that means. Gel technology in the rear foot. So you have gel technology here. It's in the rear foot. You can feel it when you wear it as well. Mesh insole. It's mesh. Molded normal rubber outsole. So there's two types and that's slightly raised. It's not even, as you can see, it's quite interesting. Built-in molded TPR heel counter. So that's the TPR heel counter for support. So this is something that you've seen over the past few years. It's like dad shoe kind of style. I don't really particularly like the dad shoe style. I prefer a sleek shoe that looks quite modern. However, in other videos I'll explain that you have to be going up half a size with Asics. Asics, I really think they're underrated. In fact, I feel that Asics quality has a very similar quality to Nike, sometimes even better. I find that Nike trainers sometimes fall apart. I've gone through many Nikes over the years, and with Nike, sometimes you find that after 3 to 6 months, you might need to throw a shoe. But with this shoe, you'll find that it will set you back about 240 reals in the sale. So usually this went for almost 500 reals. That's about £100. Very happy with this shoe. Love the look and I can't wait to try it out. So here you've got the heel counter, the toe box. This is like a brushed microfiber type of suede. I'm not too sure. It says that on the website the materials is like a mesh textile upper. It's got 5 stars on the website. This will allow your foot to breathe, this mesh. I really like the lace locks here, and I like the fact that the Asics logo is actually part of the lacing system. So when you lace it up, you're gonna have a great lockdown feel. The tongue is quite padded. I really do like that. And inside, it's completely detached, which I also like. And if you feel that you need to put in your own sock liner, You can get those at footlocker.com in the UK. I think you can in Europe as well. I'm not too sure about Saudi Arabia. But very importantly, the instructions here say that do not put this in the washing machine. I mean, you can actually put some of your trainers in washing machine on a delicate cycle with cold temperature. But with this one, it says do not. You must use like some type of a shoe cleaner and wash by hand. I think it's because of the colour of this particular cloth. So that's it. I like the design. It's still got a bit of a modern aesthetic appeal to it. It's a cross between 2 or 3 models of Asics shoes. So if you go on to the Asics website, you may come across some of this is a silhouette. The overall shape is a blend of 2 or 3. But the idea of the colorways, there are about 7 different colors for this shoe. You'll see that they're very bright and eye-catching. But I went for a more muted tone. During the triathlete sport events, the idea for the louder styles was to be eye-catching and modern at the time in 1998. And the one other colour I really like is like a black and blue, like a purple colourway on their other model with a like yellow, green and red hit on the heel. But this is very sturdy. You can tell when I'm moving it's quite sturdy. So I think this is just going to be really great. And this is a very, very soft EVA midsole. So I'm looking forward to that. And with the gel in the heel, you'll find with Asics, gel, when it's on the shoe, will be in the midsole in some form or another. So I'll test this out, give it a week, give you an on-foot review, see how it's gone. And something else I also like about the Asics is their boxes are just really robust. So if you need to have a good experience at looking after these shoes, if you feel that you need to travel with them or you need to deliver them, they're just really robust. So this is just a great, really good quality box. And I find that Nike boxes are not as so good in terms of postage and transport, and they sometimes get broken. I have UK size 8.5. That's my size. So as I said, go up half a size bigger, usually with the Asics. But with this particular trainer or sneaker, I go true to size. So I'm like a 8.5. But I usually go 9 with Asics because this is ideal for wide foot. This is really ideal. I find Asics have a slim toe box, and the same with other brands. I find a lot of shoes these days have a narrow front foot, which is a bit of a pain. So this is a really good model, love it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel, like and share. And I'll see you in the next one.